Good morning, Plaza Hotel. How can I help you?
Hello. I would like to book a room, please.
Certainly. For which date?
For next Tuesday, October 12th.
How many nights will you stay?
2 nights, please.
And for how many people?
Just for me. A single room is fine.
One moment. Yes, we have a vacancy. The price is $120 per night.
That is fine. Is breakfast included?
Yes, breakfast is free. May I have your name, please?
My name is Emma Jones.
Thank you, Ms. Jones. Your room is booked. See you on Tuesday.
Thank you. Goodbye. Taxi.
Hello. Where to?
To the Plaza Hotel, please. Do you know where it is?
Yes, I know it. It is in the city center.
Great. How much will it cost?
It is about $15.
Okay. Please take me there.
Here we are, the Plaza Hotel.
How much is it on the meter?
It is $14.50.
Here is $15. Keep the change.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome. Goodbye.
Good afternoon. Welcome to the Plaza Hotel.
Hello. I have a reservation. My name is Jan Jones.
One moment, please. Yes, Miss Jones. A single room for 2 nights?
That is correct.
May I see your ID or passport, please?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Please sign here.
Okay. Done.
Here is your key card. You are in room 302. That is on the 3rd floor.
Thank you. What time is breakfast?
Breakfast is from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. in the restaurant.
Great. Is there free Wi-Fi?
Yes, the password is on the back of your key card.
Thank you for your help.
You are welcome. Enjoy your stay.
Good evening. A table for one?
Yes, please.
Follow me. Here is the menu. Would you like something to drink?
Yes. May I have a glass of water, please?
Of course. Are you ready to order food?
Yes. I would like the grilled chicken with vegetables.
Very good. Anything else?
No, thank you. That is all.
Here is your meal. Enjoy.
Thank you. It looks delicious.
Would you like any dessert or coffee?
No, thank you. I am full. Can I have the bill, please?
Certainly. One moment.
Do you accept credit cards?
Yes, we do.
Thank you. The food was excellent.
You are very welcome. Have a nice evening.
You too. Goodbye.
Hello, reception?
Yes. How can I help you?
I need 2 extra towels, please.
Certainly. I will send them to room 302 right away.
Thank you. Also, could I have some more water?
Of course. Anything else?
No, that is all. Thank you. Hello. I would like to check out, please.
Good morning. How was your stay, Miss Jones?
It was very good. Thank you.
I am glad to hear that. Did you have anything from the minibar?
No, I didn't.
Perfect. Your total is all paid. Here is your receipt.
Thank you. Can I leave my luggage here for a few hours?
Yes, we can keep it in the luggage room for you.
That is great. Thank you for your help. Goodbye.
You're welcome. Have a safe trip.